So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me, real life, yes. If you are new, hello. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I know the camera's a little shaky. I am having a heck of a time trying to film this video. There's so much Ipsy. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah. So if you want to see what this is all about, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, I am holding the camera, no makeup, just woke up, washed my face, and sat down. So, look at the hair. Yeah. It's just a hot mess. I'm a hot mess. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to just really quickly go through my Ipsy. I have 2 Ipsy bags. If you're new and you don't know what's going on here, this is not my normal style video, although sometimes I'll put one up like this. But it's just real life beauty over here. So, you know, we roll with whatever it is that we have to roll with. And today we went out last night and we celebrated our anniversary. So I'm just kind of taking it easy. But I did get my Ipsy like the last day of February, which is very weird. I don't like DHL. I'm sorry, but I just don't. They're very slow. And I usually get my Ipsy bag quicker than this. However, it's the Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, I have 2 months for January and February because I just plain forgot and was sick last month and then forgot to do it in the month of February. So when the Ipsy Glam bag for February came, I'm like, hey, I think I have one for January. And sure enough, it was in the filming bin. Anywho, I have for you 2 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bags. I just want to say thank you in advance, I guess, for watching the video, the advent calendar, which I'm assuming you watched. I hope you enjoyed it. I really did have fun unboxing that. It was awesome. If you are new, this is a beauty channel, but it's real life beauty over here. We just kind of deal with what goes on, and it's like an everyday life channel with a little beauty thrown in there, I guess. Beauty shouldn't be stressful. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be, you know, entertaining, relaxing, anything but stressful. So that's how I kind of look at it. Quick, easy, and beautiful. You know, real life beauty. That's what I say. So without further jibber jabbering, I'm going to turn around the camera and we are going to get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so we do have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus right here. That is my background. I have to take that down because yes, February's over. Well, this one is for January and this one is for February, I believe. And then of course we have some add-ons here. Guys, I have 2 Allure boxes. You guys want to see them and hear the story about what happened with Allure, because y'all know I said I was not going to get Allure anymore. Yeah. Okay, well, I don't get it anymore, not really. And there is the advent calendar. I'm going to put them all up for a while. I think that may be my background for a minute until I get my shelves situated. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I will edit in all the prices, let you know how much it was, yada, yada, yada. For the month of January. Yes, that's right, January. Sorry it's so late, guys. I completely forgot. I was sick with the you-know-what. And, yeah, it just came and hubby put it into the beauty room. And actually, I didn't even see it to begin with, tell you the truth. We do have January's theme. This month is January Happy Vibes. Okay, well, I can use some happy vibes. I am so sorry if the camera is shaking, but I'm trying to use my bad arm, which is probably not a good idea. I think I can use this arm to show you the products. Okay, guys, so first, let's talk about the bag. Happy vibes. I'm digging the happy smile. I almost bought a pair of pants that had this smiley face all over them. Yeah, I almost did. It's a drawstring bag. Y'all know I do like these bags. Very nice. I don't know about for like winter months, but it's definitely bringing spring vibes to me. Not sure that's a January thing or not, but okay. But I do like the bag. I love these bags. I have probably every single one that I've ever gotten, unless I've given out like prizes in them or something. So we do have the Galactic. This is metallic eyeshadow. At first I thought it was lip stuff, and I was like, that's pretty cool, but okay, it's not. This is the Galactic, I can't say that word, metallic eye sparkle. Here it is. I'm not going to swatch this, guys. It's like a champagne-y color. I don't know. I mean, for the inner corner, I think would probably be good. And again, on the lid, you know, patting it out, that would be a quick look. You know me, quick, easy, and beautiful. That's my motto. That in real life beauty. And I am well aware that my thumb is not painted. And look at that. I had gel because it's broken. So I had to gel it and then put a wrap on it. Well, when I put the wrap on it, something, I don't know what that was, got caught under there. I didn't see it till it set. And then look at that. But anyway, I'll paint that over. Okay, so I'm well aware of that. I apologize. I can't get that out. It's like in my nail. But anyway, the second product is a 111 Skin. This is the Hyaluronic Acid. Guys, I chose this, I believe I did, because I want to see. I'm going to pair it up against my Good Molecules, which is like $6. And I want to see how much of a difference this Hyaluronic Acid makes. It's because it's so super expensive, then I want to know what's the difference. Here is the bottle. Okay, there you see it. And it has a little squeezy tube. Well, I'm going to keep it closed until I use it. I think we're going to do it maybe on Win It With Me Wednesday. We'll pair it and see how it goes. The third item is the Beauty Stat Vitamins Universal C Eye Perfector. It is a eye cream, obviously, and it looks like this. Beauty Stat have been hit and miss with me, so we'll see how this works. And there you have it. It's just a little pumpy guy. So it's a little guy, but you know, hey, it's half an ounce, which is kind of standard for an eye cream. I'm not surprised. I do not know who this brand is. Coalife, Miss Me. It's rejuvenating toner. So here we have, it's just a 1 little ounce guy, like a travel. It's got a glass bottle, which is nice. I do appreciate that. It's got a little pumpy spray, but I have 1,000,001 sprays, guys, so I don't know. I don't know if I picked that or if they chose that for me. Again, the prices will be up on the screen. So this is the palette that came. I don't know if I chose this or not. I'm not sure. Here's the packaging. This is Formula Z, so pretty. Oh, that packaging. Really? The lettering? Oh my gosh, I can't take it. Let's just open it up and see, shall we? Because, oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. I pretty much think I picked this because it's an eyeshadow palette. But again, it will be up on the screen and along with the prices. I do see some little, like right there. See that little kind of fallouty stuff there. So it's a basic, you know, palette. I do like that top. Is that pressed glitter? I do not want to stick my fingers in there. Anyway, there's that. So that is the fifth item. So that is for the month of January. I'm happy to get this because I did want to try it, but it's just too expensive to purchase it. And if I do like it, that would kind of stink, right? Because it's so expensive. Perhaps I can swap it with the women on MSA for it. Don't know about that. The toner, it's a toner, you know, I'll give it a go. The eye cream, excited kind of to try this. I have so many eye creams though. But this probably is my least favorite item. I mean, quick and easy for the inner corner, or like I said, we'll try and see maybe if I can just pat it out and do a look or something. Go, 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 you know, quick, easy, and beautiful, right? So that was my January bag. Again, prices, and I will leave the total up here. So we do have February's bag, and guys, for the life of me, I took everything out just now. There's no card. It's not in here. So, okay, I will put the theme up on the screen for you guys. Well, I'm sure you already seen it, but I do like the bag. I like the bag. I think it's very pretty. I use these for, like, when I'm on vacation, I threw a bunch of stuff in there. Very good for, you know, packing and tying, using these little ties. I do wish they would put like a little Ipsy emblem on here or something, but okay. So that's very good for Valentine's Day for February, even though we're out of February. Now, I was very excited because I am a huge fan of Nomad Shadows. Oh my gosh, I really am. So let me show you this palette. This kind of reminds me of another palette Nomad came out with. It's very, very similar. I'm not wondering if you could maybe skip on this and get from the other one, or one or the other, you know, like only have one of them. But hang on, let me look really closely. So, okay, I will say I am loving the packaging. I think it's very cute. It's, the destination is Venice Cyclone Express Inspiration Golden Age of Travel. Okay, so I think that's very cute. I always do really like the Nomad packaging, and you know, I just really like the brand as a whole. So this is what the palette looks like. Very pretty. Excuse the glare. Venice Cyclone Express. Okay, let's take a gander at her. Okay, so see, aside from the blue, and I don't even know because I do have the Lake Como, I think it is, from Nomad, and it performs. Listen, guys, these shadows, I don't understand. They're I think underrated. I mean, they're not talked about a whole bunch, and I do really like the way they perform. They're very pretty. Let me take the cover off without trying to mess the palette up. Don't mess the palette up, Steph. My nails always get in everything. So it doesn't have a mirror, but I'm okay with that because I barely ever use a mirror in a palette. I'm always using my big stand-up mirror on my desk. But there you have it. Okay, I know the camera's crooked and I apologize. So they're pretty. I don't know about that gold shimmer. I probably won't use too much of that. But I do like the green. So that's more like a satin. I wish there was a green matte. If I ever want to use the satin, I could always use the Jeffree Star mattes that I have in my Blood Money. Thank you. Shout out to you know who. She knows who she is. But this is a very pretty palette. Very kind of neutral with some pops of color, which is kind of good. So that's cute. I'm liking the palette. Somehow I ended up with a whole bunch of products. So I will let you know on the screen which are add-ons, because I do believe I did get some add-ons. So the second thing I see here is Beauty For Real. This is 2 eyeliners, I believe in, it's either black or brown. It looks very black. And then white, which I'm always happy to get a light colored eyeliner for the waterline. It helps to open my eyes up a lot. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that one. I did just buy a whole set of Colourpop. I didn't show you guys yet, but wait till you see. I kind of made a mistake with Colourpop. Oh my gosh, the black shopper's cloud, you know. So there's that, 2 of them. This, I don't know. I can't see me buying this as a single. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's a Farrah brush. I like Farrah. This is a medium angled shading brush. I do use this is a 55E, I think it says. Yeah, 55I, so 55E. It is the angled shader brush. There, you can see it has an angle on it. Okay, if my camera will focus, yeah. So I do have a couple of these, but I can always use more. So always happy to get a brush, you know. And then this is kind of cool because it kind of goes with the January box. This is the Crypto Pre-Activated Toning Cleanser. So I'm cool with this, and then with this, and then the hyaluronic acid, we can maybe give that a go. Thinking about maybe trying one whole brand as a skincare thing. I know someone else is doing that on YouTube, but I want to see. I maybe pick a different brand or something. If I have enough of one brand, I will do it. I'll let y'all know about that. That's just an idea I had. So there's the 111 Skin. I can only imagine. The price will be up on the screen. And then this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow. This is a moisturizer that leaves you shiny and very glowy. Now, this is very expensive. I know that Earth Harbor has the Mermaid moisturizer, I believe it's called. I will put it up on the screen. That is almost an exact dupe, even down to the color and the smell, guys. Not kidding. And it is less expensive than this one. So, I mean, it's not like drugstore price, but it's definitely a savings. And if it works just as good, why not, right? So anyway, but I do like Kate Somerville. So I already have this product. I don't use it every single time I do my makeup. But there you go. There's the container. I don't want to open it. Maybe I can open mine. So there's what it looks like, guys. That is the one. I couldn't find mine's on my table somewhere, buried under a bunch of boxes. So this is what it looks like. It has like a bluish green tint to it. I want to say that it smells like, I don't know, kind of earthy. There you have that. Oh, I have an idea for another video. I have a ton of Ipsy bags. Don't ask me how I got them. They're just sitting in there. I must have been forgetting to unbox my Ipsy. Not unusual with me. But I wanted to know if you all want to see like just a random unboxing with all different subscriptions that I did not get to unbox while I was sick. Because remember, gosh, I started having bad things happening to me around the end of November, so, or like right after Thanksgiving. So, and I was sick even before that. So, you know, there's a lot of stuff I didn't get to because of that. So I was wondering, you all want to just see like a giant random unboxing of subscription boxes? Of course, we'll put together a giveaway. Comment down below if you're into that. So this product is the Eclat Skin, I believe. Yes. This is Eclat Skin Charcoal Black Peel Off Mask. Now, I am not into peeling stuff off my skin. It hurts oh so bad. So I'm not sure that I will get any use of this, but you know, there it is. I do believe they picked this for me because I can't see me choosing this at all. Not a fan of peel off masks. They are not good for your skin as far as I've been told. Now, all these products, right? So far, and then we still have one more. So right here, I know I'm pretty sure I bought this. I would have to look, but I'm almost sure because I did want it. Now, I don't know if it was one of my picks, but I think I bought it. This is the Patrick Ta She's Juicy. I heard this is a really good lip like mask. This is called Major Glow. And here it is, guys. This is a very pretty packaging. I got to give it to Patrick Ta. I mean, come on. How do you make a lip mask look pretty? But he managed to do it, you know. Okay, guys, so this is 2 more add-ons that I got. I believe I got this in January. I'm pretty sure. So this is the Twisted Sister. It was a set. And I'll try and find the price, but it came, I don't remember when it came. I was sick, but here it's this is the Twisted Sister Foaming Curl Whipped Mousse, which I have tried this and I've actually used it twice so far. So yeah, it has coconut, avocado, almond, and honey in it. Now, it's not your average like aerosol mousse. This is like you shake it, and then when you hit this pumpy thing, it will come out like a foam. And I do like it. It doesn't leave your hair stiff or crunchy, but it does like add a bunch of volume. So I'm actually really liking this brand, I gotta say, because then here's the other part of the set. And again, these two came together. So this is the Curl Perfection Cream Gel. It's got coconut, avocado, and almond oils. And I'll tell you, it doesn't leave my hair greasy or anything like that, but it does really, like, I don't know, it just is really good. It's moisturized and the curls are defined, you know what I mean? And usually my ends get really like dried out, but both of these are for after you shampoo and condition, you know, while your hair is still damp or whatever. So I will put the price up on the screen, like I said. So there are my 2 months worth of Ipsy and my add-ons for January and February. I have a whole bunch of Glam Bag Pluses that I have not yet opened. Let me know if you guys want to see. And then perhaps we could do like a giveaway in there or something with the products that I won't use. Because guys, I'm really not trying to put that stuff in my bins. I'm really not. I'm trying to get stuff out of my bins. There's going to be a whole lot of stuff going up on Mercari. I just want to get rid of it. I didn't even want to come on camera looking like this, but oh well. And it is daytime, so whatever. I didn't do any of my skincare. I just washed my face, so I didn't do anything. All right, until I see you in the next one, please remember, oh my gosh, Real Life Beauty over here. And I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me. And like always, guys, I will tell you, if you are going through something, please talk about it. If you are asked to listen, please do. You can help somebody. And in this crazy, big, mixed up world that we live in right now, and boy, it is so crazy, prayer goes out to everyone who's going through the war. Please, to all my loved ones across the globe, stay safe. Till the next one. See ya.